Zeus, get off the road.
Hey, chill, bro.
Got a check for $13,770. We got no gas. I don't even know if we're gonna make it. Everything beeping, going crazy at us. Oh boy, that's a bad idea. Oh my god, the cops are here and the dogs are running around. Is that Everett? Gang!
What's up, man?
YouTube, what's going on? We got another day in the life video. We got a lot going on. I go to DMV right now to get started. We also have Honda Civic SI. I don't know if you can see that. That just got delivered last night, so we'll check that out later in the video. But right now, we need to take the Hyundai Elantra to inspection. So let's go ahead and get started with that. We got the jump box. So there's a Hyundai Elantra that we'll be taking right there. And we got the Challenger. We got all the other cars lined up. This car does need a jump because when it came, it had no battery. So we'll go ahead, jump it, and we'll see from there. Jump box connected. Let's go ahead, get this car jumped. Hopefully it turns on. All right, so we have the key, but keep saying key not detected. I think I have to put the key to the ignition like this, and then it should turn on. Yeah, there you go. So probably low key fob battery. So we'll get this fixed. All right, but go ahead and put this back in the key bag. Now we'll go to the inspection spot. All right, take this with us. Boom. All right, we'll go ahead, open up the gate, and we'll get out of here. We got a cold front going on over here. We'll go ahead, go to the inspection spot now. We got no gas. I don't even know if we're gonna make it, but here we go. Bismillah. Got everything beeping, going crazy at us. We're pulling up to the inspection spot right now. So we do the pre-inspection. Cars beeping, going crazy. It is what it is. Is that Everett? The boy Everett. Hey, okay, boy Everett in the cut. This is the one that told me about the Honda. Gang!
What's up, man?
I'm like, bro, is that Everett?
Oh, yo, what year is this?
Bro, it's a 21, bro.
Yo, this is fire.
Yeah, that sounds crazy.
Yes, sir.
Man, I'm like,
Getting that pre-inspection.
yes, sir.
Yeah, let's get in here, man.
Let's get it, bro. I follow my dad. Is that Everett?
What's up, YouTube?
Yeah, say what's up to YouTube, man.
YouTube?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We gotta link your YouTube in there, bro.
Man,
Come on.
QCB boys.
QCB boys, man. Y'all go tap in. Tap in with the QCB boys, man. Ooh, it's brick outside, though.
Ooh, it's live.
What time is it? Yeah, we gotta be outside for a minute.
Yo, let's show them my car.
Ooh, boy. Yeah, we here with it. Whew. Are you doing post?
I'm doing the dealership.
Oh, you gotta do that here?
Yes, sir. That's nothing, man.
Yeah.
Two tail lights.
They're in the trunk.
Two tail lights.
They're right there.
This can be repaired.
Yeah, repair that. New bumper.
Nothing, man. I don't even think you gotta buy a new clip.
I got it for a steal, bro.
Bro?
Yeah, 4,500.
That ain't bad, dude.
Yeah, bro.
That ain't bad, man.
Ah.
You know what's crazy? The cheaper we get them, the more we can bless somebody.
Oh, that's true.
You know?
That is true. Dang, it's brick.
Well, let's show some heat, bro.
I bet. I mean, the boy Everett about to wait out here at the DMV. It's 7:55, so we got about 5 minutes to open up and then go inside. So yeah, first in line. And we'll see what's cracking from there. So, all right, y'all, we got the paperwork done, DMV. So now we're gonna go take this car back to the shop and we'll hop on the auction because auction starts in about a couple hours. So we gotta get ready. And I left the car running just because I don't want to jump it again. So we have absolutely no gas though. First order of business, we have to get gas. So, and we'll go from there. We'll put like 15 bucks in here. Dang, $15, you get 180 miles. It's not bad. Let's go ahead, go back to the shop and get on the auction. I'll be pulling up. Toyota. Go ahead and park it right here. Now we gotta go to the auction, so let's go ahead and get started on that. All right, y'all, I've been on the auction for about the past hour, just bidding on cars, looking at cars. Right now, the driver just came with that Camaro. I think I got that car from Virginia. We'll go ahead and check it out when it comes down, and then I'll pay the driver, and we'll be good to go. All right, I'm here, been bidding. Boy, Jeff pulled up.
Yo,
Jeff,
what up?
what you gotta say to people?
Not much, not today. It's just cold outside.
It is cold outside. He is right. All right. He did bring the dogs. So since it's too cold outside, we're going to take turns taking the dogs home. So he took the dogs last night. So they're here now. Let's go see them. Uh-oh. Where did they go? Ah, there they are. Zeus. Say what's up to the people, man.
Hey, what's up, YouTube?
Dakota. Zeus. I don't think they would have survived if we took them.
They love me, man.
Yeah. We gave them a home. Keep them, man. Alright, so first order of business. Jeff's about to take out this battery and we put it charging. Alright, so Jeff, he's gonna handle that. He knows how to take out batteries. I'm gonna go back to auction because we gotta get some cars today. Alright, y'all, so we won 2 cars today so far. We'll see if we win more cars later. I'll show you guys the cars that we just won. Alright, so here's the first car we won, or I should probably say truck. So this is what we got. It's a 2012 Dodge Ram. It has a V8 engine in it and very minimal damage. Y'all see right here. No lights on the dash. Pretty dirty though, so we'll have to get a good detail. The damage is on the side. So I don't know if y'all can tell in the pictures. Like this, you see this got hit. So complete side swipe, I'm guessing. So that's what we're gonna have to get fixed. And I got it for a pretty good price. My max bid was $4,100, but then I won it for $3,950, and it has 138,000 miles. I'm not sure if this is a good buy or not. We'll see. Trucks do sell pretty well and pretty high here in North Carolina, so we'll see. Hopefully, you know, we sell for a good price, but that's what it's looking like. Doesn't look bad at all. So that's the first car we won. Now let me show you guys the second car we won. All right, here's the second car we won. It's a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Honestly, I've never flipped a car like this one, but whatever. I think I got it for a good price. I only got it for $2,100. The $2,050 was the final bid. That's what I got it for. So I think the parts are cheap on this car, and then we should be done for it relatively low. Even if we only make like $2,000 on it, that'd be okay. So it is what it is. That's the second car we won, and I'll let you guys know if we win any other cars later on in the video. In the meanwhile, Jeff did get the battery out of the Hyundai Elantra, and it is charging. So let me show you guys that. So here you go. This is the battery. This is the charger. Click display select. You see it says charging. So I don't know how long it'll take. Honestly, it wasn't that dead. We'll see how long that takes. But in the meanwhile, let's go ahead and check on that Camaro and the Honda Civic that we got from the auction. So let's see what we're working with. Zeus.
Hey, what's up, dog?
Your boy Zeus, man.
Hey, who is that?
So this is 2012 Honda Civic SI that we got. We're gonna need a new front bumper, a new fender, maybe a new headlight. Headlight looks fine, to be honest with you. This can get buffed out. We'll see the headlight behind. Sometimes the front looks good, but then behind it's cracked, so we might have to get a new one. Zeus, get off the road.
Hey, chill, bro.
I say a new front bumper, new fender, door, quarter panel will get fixed. Besides that, there's no damage around the car. I got this car for a pretty good price, like $2,300. Not bad at all. And the driver brought me some snow from Maryland. Let me go grab the key for this car and we'll check it out. All right, so it did come with 2 keys. I think only one of them works. So let's grab both. Go ahead, check out the car. Hopefully it's good. And of course, as always, before we turn on any car, we're gonna have to check the oil. We're gonna have to check the coolant. So let's go ahead and unlock it. There you go. Open it up. No, Zeus. Every time I open the door, they try to come in. No. Stick shift manual. There you go. Go ahead and pop the hood. Just like that. Put the key in here. So it does have juice. Hopefully it's enough to turn the car on. Oh, we do have a sunroof. Sweet. Check this car out. All right, so check the oil first. Well, we have oil, really right at the perfect spot too. Go, and coolant. We have coolant, so that's good. So we can go ahead and crank the car on. Inside. Bismillah. There we go. We got the VTEC. But yeah, no lights on the dash. Probably should take it for a quick spin. It's gonna be tough for me to record though, the manual. Driving and doing manual. We'll see though. Oh yeah, it's stuck. It should be all right. Let's just put it in reverse. Okay, 6th gear. We'll just honestly move it inside the gate and that's it. Okay, we're in first. Oh, I can't see anything. Oh boy, that's scraping. The car over here. There you go. So car sounds fine, engine sounds fine, clutch, transmission, everything looks okay. Give it a little rev. It's that VTEC. No lights on the dash. Always, look, I'd be giving free game in these videos. Look, if there's a bunch of lights on the dash, 9 times out of 10, you want to avoid that car. There's too many lights on the dash and when the car is on, right? Because look, if we turn the car off, or we put it to ignition, you see all those lights are on. That's okay, right? But then if you turn the car on and there's still a bunch of lights on the dash, you should definitely not be getting that car. And that's because we're trying to buy these cars and sell them quick. You don't want to buy a car, especially if you're not mechanically inclined. You don't want to buy a car that's like has a lot of mechanical issues. And now you're on someone else's time. You're on the mechanic's time, right? If the mechanic, if he wants to take his time, he'll take his time. If he wants to charge you a bunch of money, he'll charge you a bunch of money. You want to do the least amount of work and make the most amount of money in this business. So that's why I always say don't buy heavy damage. And I'm telling you guys, do not buy a lot of lights on the dash, a lot of mechanical issues. Don't buy suspension issues. Don't buy airbags deployed for the most part. And that way you get the game's easy for you, right? We just won another car. You got a notification. Let's go check that out. So here's a car that we just won, literally as I was recording. It's a 2017 Acura MDX technology. So I got it for $3,000, as y'all see right there. Here's the damage on the car. So front end, a new windshield. Let's see. Kind of like the side. It's a pretty nice car though. And it's actually in North Carolina, so shipping will be cheap for this car. So there you go. Oh, they had an engine video. I didn't even see that. And front end parts. Dang, I need to hear the engine video. I didn't even hear that. I didn't even see it in the beginning, actually. So let's go ahead and hear the engine. Android sound effect is crazy. But yeah, so there's that. It's run and drive. Like I just told you guys, look, no lights on the dash, right? No lights on the dash. Dang, what's that light? I'll figure that out. But for the most part, no lights on the dash. This just means there's something else. Like it could be a tire light or something, or it's probably connected to this, whatever that is. But for the most part, no lights on the dash, no airbags deployed, slight accident, no frame damage, no suspension damage. Yeah, y'all get the gist of it. So I'll go ahead and get transporter set up for this car and I'll go ahead and pay for it and we'll see from there. All right, now I got those 2 things out the way. Let's go ahead and check out this Camaro. Hopefully this Camaro's good. I think the key's inside the car. The driver dropped it off this morning. Let's go ahead and check it out. So here's what it's looking like. Quarter panel get fixed. New door. This is missing, I guess, so we get a new one. Quarter panel gets fixed. It used to have a spoiler. Looks like they just covered up with some pins. All right, pop this open. Okay. Got the boy Jeff just pulled up, actually. A little bit damaged, nothing crazy. Let's see it, pop the hood. Go ahead and check the oil, check the coolant. Do the usual. I don't see any coolant. Boy Jeff, what happened with the Challenger?
They couldn't fix the tire.
Are they couldn't?
We need the wheel lock.
It's not outside the car?
It's nowhere.
Oh boy, missing the wheel lock.
That's no bueno.
Oh boy, here we go. It's not in the back seat, trunk?
Nowhere.
Dang. I feel like I saw it somewhere though.
I tried to find it everywhere, but it's not anywhere. Anywhere.
Let's see. Damn, I remember we took the tire off this car too. You call Albero? I think he's the last one that worked on it. We took the tire off last time. Missing the wheel lock, but it is what it is. Go ahead back to, oh my God, y'all, it's freezing. It's windy too, that's what makes it worse. We need to check the oil. Where's the oil dipstick at? Okay, we have oil. I'm gonna just go ahead and turn the car on. Even if you have like low coolant, you can still turn the car on. You just can't leave it running for long, otherwise it'll overheat. Close this up. Hop in, check it out. Okay, we got the title. I don't see the key though. I'm gonna take this with me and go grab the key. Oh my God, the cops are here and the dogs are running around. There's a cop right over there. Let's go to the back. Dang, that's literally the cop right there. That's how the dog's running around. Acura.
I think I found it.
Dang, where was it? Outside that, over there?
It was in the garage.
Ah, man. Does it fit? Did you try it?
Yeah, I already did.
Okay, bet. Hey, there you go. The boy Jeff found it. Y'all were hating on Jeff. Look at Jeff pulling through.
Got
yes,
it.
sir.
Stop hating on me. See, I got it now.
You better say good things now in the comments, man. I bet. You better slide back over there?
Yep.
All right, bet. All right, so Jeff's gonna go handle that. So we got the key. Let's go ahead and check out this Camaro. Hopefully it's good. Boy Jeff leaving right now. Go get the wheel fixed on that, the tire, because it needs a new tire. So we can go get that. The dogs always want to come in. Every time you open up a car door, they think we're leaving. All right, let's go ahead and turn this car on. All right. Here we go. Bismillah. See what lights they on. There you go, they all leave. Change oil soon. That's it, no lights on the dash besides that. Besides the seatbelt light, and that's it. There we go. Actually, I wanna see if this window goes down. Will it go down or is it gonna shatter if I click down? Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. Oh boy, that's a bad idea. Okay, yeah, we'll just leave that alone. Alright, so go ahead and move this car to the back and we'll go from there. And we can go inside and order the door for that side from the junkyard. Go ahead and just move this car over here next to the Civic. There you go. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk, see if you have anything in there. Alright. Floor mat, steering cover, phone holder. I've been needing one to be honest, so I'm gonna just take this one for myself. Close this up, boom. We might get a spoiler too, just so we can cover up these holes, because pins on the back is crazy. Probably get a spoiler and get that sorted. We'll get the mirror cap is what we need, and the new door, and that's it really. What car you want to buy, buddy?
I'm looking for a 2021 Hyundai Elantra.
Dang, you're in luck. We on outside, 20 bands.
I do have a question though.
What?
When I called Appeal, they asked me if it had sensors or not.
For which car?
The Hyundai.
I do.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay. And they're asking me like, there's two trims. Is it American and Korean? I was like, oh.
It's American.
And there's more stuff for me to figure out.
Oh man.
And one last thing, my Infiniti, obviously it was not sport, but they said, does it have sensors?
Does it?
How do you tell?
No, yours doesn't.
Doesn't? Okay. Okay, so I got everything right then.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just guessed on everything.
Dang. Bro, guessing ace the quiz.
3 out of 3. I have a question for you.
This guy has a lot of questions. I'm start charging you, buddy.
I got a question.
We gotta say to people, man.
Well, everyone, the cold front coming. It's best to stay safe out there because you never know what might happen.
Where's the shiesty?
It's warming up in my pocket.
Dang. Okay, not lacking.
Never lacking.
Car delivered right now. The Acura MDX. Let's go check it out.
I forgot to get the damn title.
Ah.
I'll run back out there and get it later on.
Okay. No problem.
What time they close?
5. You got the key though? The key's inside?
Yeah, it should be. I ain't touched this time. She told me to go use the car. And it's like 20 minutes. This should be God.
Dang, it's alright. You good, bro. Alright, here's the car though. There you go.
Back it off?
Yeah. Alright, y'all, so remember, we won this car today. We already got it picked up and delivered. So, these are the lights on the dash. I think that's for like sensor or something, so we'll figure that out. Yeah, blind spot. Okay, because the mirror's missing probably. Gonna close this up. There you go. Interior's nice though. We got a nice sunroof. We got all these parts in the back. Navigation. It's an MDX. Oh, this is crazy. I've never even seen this. Reverse. All right, I think we're in reverse. We're going. All right, there you go. Park. That is fire. So this will get fixed, no problem. Tail light, we'll see what's inside. We're gonna need glass. Text me how much to send you. How much?
Hey, I know that girl up there, so I'm gonna call her. Tell her hold the title for her. I'm gonna get it.
Okay, bet. Appreciate it. No, you good. All right, so he forgot to get the title when he went to pick up the car, but it's all good. When he comes back, he said he'll go get it. Looks like we need a front bumper, headlight. I think the grill's inside. Probably, definitely need a fender, I think. New windshield glass. Seller, traveler's insurance. As always, we're gonna need this trim piece. Got hit. Go ahead, pop the trunk. See. Oh. There you go. Let's see what parts we have so we can save some money. Grill is good, so save money on the grill. Tail lights is good, so we'll save money on that. I guess it's all front bumper trim pieces. Maybe side pieces. Well, no front bumper, no fender, so we'll have to get that. What's this up? Mirror, fender, front bumper. Let's go ahead and try to get these parts ASAP. I got no time to waste.
List for 9. Hey, sell for 10, bro.
Alright, quick update. Customers came for the Tesla Model 3. They bought it. They're about to go to the bank. We did all the paperwork. Jeff did all the paperwork. Yes, sir. And Jeff got the sale, so that's lit. So now they're gonna go get the money from the bank, and when they come back, we'll go ahead and finalize the deal, and that's it. Alright, so customers came back, got a check for $13,770. Tesla Model 3 sold. Remember, I bought that car for like $6,000, so y'all can go ahead and do the math real quick. But there's that. Alhamdulillah. Thank God for everything. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for everything. No matter what, good or bad, you just always gotta thank God. So yeah, Jeff went to go drop off a part to the body guy, and then I'm gonna move my car inside the gate, and I'm gonna take the Challenger home because the Challenger has to pass inspection. I have to drive it, so I'll take the Challenger home, and I'm also gonna take the dogs home. So the dogs are coming home with me today. It's either that or they stay out here and then just freeze to death. So it's supposed to be like 10 degrees tonight or something, probably even lower than that. So some of y'all know the hadith where the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said the angels don't enter a home that has dogs inside. I mean, it's unfortunate, but what else am I supposed to do? Am I gonna let the dogs stay out here and die, or just have a night where the angels don't come in? I just can't let the dogs stay out here and just freeze to death. I mean, look at them. They're animals. We gotta take care of them. So probably a wrap for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you in the next one. Peace.